This is a 2003 Lincoln Town Car Signature Limited, one owner with 68,000 miles. This car is absolutely stunning. Get this out of the way. We will not finance this vehicle. Again, we will not finance this vehicle. It is too old for bank financing. Vehicle is running. It needs absolutely nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Like all of our vehicles, we perform a 125-point certified pre-owned inspection on everything that we sell. When you buy a vehicle from us, it will not need a thing mechanically or cosmetically. On top of that, we offer a best price guarantee. If you find a comparable one for sale in our market, please let us know and we will gladly beat their price. So yep, you're getting a certified pre-owned vehicle with a best price guarantee. You're not going to find that anywhere in the market. For pricing, pictures, including undercarriage pictures showing you that is rust-free, please feel free to visit our website, autoparadisetx.com. That's autoparadisetx.com. So this vehicle has rear parking sensors, a moonroof, heated seats, leather seats. The top is in phenomenal condition, literally like new, no rips, no stains, no wear marks. There might be some lint on there, but that's all there is. Just a stunning, stunning town car. Our shop put brand new tires on it. It is fully serviced. It needs absolutely nothing. It drives like a dream. You'll be lucky to find a door ding or a rock chip on this car. It is absolutely that clean. The interior, absolutely flawless. Black leather, no rips, no stains, no wear marks. We have the original floor mats. Everything works on this vehicle. No crack dash. 68,000 original miles. AM, FM, CD changer in the trunk. The wood grain trim is literally like new. It's not fading. There's no cracks on it. Power windows, locks, mirrors, heated seats, power seats, memory seats. No sagging headliner, just in stunning, stunning condition. Oh, sorry about that. I gotta hit my unlock button. This is a 2003, people. It is just amazing condition. And again, the tires are brand new. So once again, this is a 2003 Lincoln Town Car Signature Limited, 68,000 miles with carriage top, moonroof, basically all the options, in stunning condition, needs nothing, and we will not finance this vehicle.